Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgana from Cooking Clean and Everything Between, and in today's video I will show you how to make a DIY stovetop cover.
Hi guys.
So we went to Lowe's and we found this nice piece of wood. It's 24 by 36 inch, and this will be able to cover my stove pretty well.
Hey Spank. Wanna say hi, Spank? Hey, what are you eating? Do you say hi? Flick your ears. Hi. What are you doing? You're so cute. And you're so messy, huh?
So here you see me pre-stain my wood, and I went very light here just so I could treat that wood, and I could then use my dark stain on it. This is what it looked like after the pre-stain.
Guys, it took me literally 2 minutes to do this, or even less. And here it is. It looks good already. But I am going to stain this. So that was the base coat so I can treat the wood. But it looks pretty already. Hi, Spank. You playing, buddy? Hi, Tice. What? What? Find a stick? Where's your stick? Here. Over here. There's a stick right here. Here. Come get it. Are you ready? Is everybody ready? I know. Oh, down, Titi. Okay, ready. Go get it. Good boys. Go get that stick, T. Go get the stick, T.
Now for the dark stain, I'm using a red mahogany, and I really didn't read the instructions, guys, so I went pretty thick. So I really just need one coat here. If I read the directions, I would have known to put very lightly and do like multiple coats, but I went heavy-handed here and I did one coat, and I did not wipe after like the can said, but you can do that. Read the instructions and do it the right way, but my way worked too.
Okay, guys, first coat is done. So I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour, and then I come back and do another coat.
Here I'm dunking the little legs that my husband made for me, and I will just let them dry on our cardboard or something. Here's what the board looked like after the first coat. It looked pretty nice. Here's the little legs.
And so it's not completely dry yet, guys. An hour already passed by, but I can already tell that I do not want to put another coat. So this was literally one coat of stain, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm just gonna put a clear coat on top of this.
Okay guys, so here's the next day. The board is nice and dry, and I will put my finish coat on it, and it's I got like a polyacrylic finish, so I'm gonna show you how I did that. So of course you have to mix the paint. In here I start, and as you can see, a little bit goes a long way, so I went very lightly, not like the stain that I went very heavy-handed. Here I went very light, and just cover the whole board. Okay guys, I let the first coat dry for about an hour. Now I'm gonna light sand it and put the second coat. After sanding it, I wiped it down like the instructions said. Hehe. And here we go again, second coat. I'm mixing the paint and spread it on the board, very light. I let it dry for 3 hours. And here it is, everyone, my DIY stovetop cover. If you're anything like me, my kitchen is pretty small. I have limited space on my counters. This cover will help me with space and also with keeping my stovetop free of scratches, which is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful to have you here. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this DIY stovetop cover. And if you like what you see, please subscribe.